Right, hi everyone. In this video, slightly echoey video, I am sitting carefully. I am seeing how silent the autofocus is with a micro four thirds lens. I'm using the Panasonic Lumix GX8, and the lens I've got is actually fairly cheap lens that comes with a lot of the cameras. It's the 14 to 42 variable aperture 3.5 to 5.6 mega OIS, optical image stabilization, and I'm quite impressed with how silent the focus is on this, certainly from what I've been doing in this room here. So the cool thing is I can do live streaming of my camera to myself. Let's see if we can get like an infinite loop going on just now, where I can see what I'm actually what the camera's seeing, but I can also change the focus of the camera. So if let's do a little test. Let's get the camera to focus on my face. Maybe it's struggling because it's in the dark just now. Focus. Glasses. Glasses are a good bit to focus on. And then let's focus on the back window. That seemed fairly silent. I didn't hear it myself. Focus back on my face. And do the back now. That seems pretty good. Let's try on something else. Something with better light. Okay, so I'm in the background just now, just started recording from the Panasonic app. I've focused it on these oranges, or on the pineapple. That's me just clicked on the pineapple. I'm going to click on my face. We're in pretty much a silent place. I've closed all the windows so we don't hear any of the noise from outside. But let's hear if we can hear any of the focus motors going on in the lens as it focuses to my face. Back to the pineapple. So I did that, to and back. We'll do it again a couple of times. Seems pretty quiet to me. Impressive. Okay, this time I've got it set at, hold on, focus on me, at its 42 millimeters, so that is a long reach. That is 84 millimeter in full frame terms, that's going on. It is at f5.6 at the moment, so to get a shallow depth of field you have to be fairly close to something just now. So I'll focus it on my face, focus it back on the oranges, my face, and then I'll do out there, so I can focus my face. The background still looks like it might be a little bit out of focus. Nice. Focus on the background. Can it do that? Yeah, it seems to. I can change the size of the focus dot. So those plants there should be in focus. Back to my face. And back to the oranges. Yeah, well, the furthest away orange. Can I change it to, so I've got it at the moment, the furthest away orange, closest orange. I like that level of accuracy. Then back to my face. Back to my reflection of my face, down there. Don't think there's any actual relative difference there. But again, let's just, what about the mountains? Let's focus on the mountains. Mountains in the background. It is looking through a big glass window here, so it may not be all that sharp. But yeah, there you go. Back to oranges. Nice. Nice and blurry. Good work. Well done, Panasonic. Who says you can't get shallow? Hold on, I'll focus on myself. Who says you can't get shallow depth of field with a micro four thirds lens or camera?